What's up, this is Rod from TechGuySmartBuy.com, and today we're talking about the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. So on the surface it looks like a minor upgrade. The experience offers more than meets the eye. So let's talk about what stayed the same. So the regular S9 is a 5.8 inch QHD infinity display and a 3000 mAh battery, while the S9 Plus has a 6.2 inch QHD infinity display and 3500 mAh battery. Both have 64 gigs of internal storage, expandable via micro SD. S9 has 4 gigs of RAM. Both have 8 megapixel selfie camera and a 12 megapixel camera. Both bodies are IP68 dust and water resistant. Still got the headphone jack and fast wired and wireless charging. So now let's dive into what's new. The fingerprint scanner is now moved directly under the camera where it should have been in the first place. Now you have stereo speakers, so it's probably the first time on a Galaxy that you have stereo speakers, but they're not both front facing. It's one is front facing, the other one's bottom facing, powered by AKG of course, and supports Dolby Atmos surround sound. You now have a new way to unlock your phone called Intelligent Scan, where it pretty much kind of meshes iris and facial scanning technology into one feature set to help unlock your phone in darker situations. The S9 Plus has 6 gigs of RAM and dual camera, so it pretty much has the same camera as the Note 8, so you can do some live focus and all that good stuff, and a bigger battery. And now to what you've all been waiting for. Samsung is talking about the camera reimagined. They got a new super speed dual pixel sensor, so this is its own dedicated processor and its own DRAM embedded that combines 12 images into one high quality photo. So think of it more of Samsung take a more hardware approach to Google's software approach to the Pixel 2 in regards to capturing a better image. We got 120 frames, got 240 frames per second. Samsung went to step things way up, so now we got super slow motion at 960 frames per second. It offers automatic motion detection, and you can have it do it automatically in slow motion or do it manually. Then you can also select your own background music. It's done really well. Now moving on to their dual aperture camera, this is the way to get even better photos and imagery in low light. So it's literally 2 apertures that the rear facing camera switches to. So you have f2.4 and f1.5. It automatically switches from one to the other to let in more light or less light depending on the situation, and it's hardware based. Now this is an interesting one. Now this is their AR emojis. Of course with the leaks and rumors you're thinking, oh god, Samsung's doing their best Apple impression. Not really. This is takes what Apple did and did a better job of it. So this pretty much uses the front facing camera. You take a picture of yourself and it will create a 3D model of yourself that'll move when you move, and then it'll also create 18 different clips of your personalized custom emoji to be shared as GIFs within messaging apps. And then they'll also be having Disney characters coming soon. So that's definitely something cool. You can make your own personalized message. So think Bitmoji, a 3D rendering of a Bitmoji that you can send out to everybody of yourself. And last but not least, you have Bixby. So now you may not use the dedicated Bixby button, but they made sure to beef up its camera abilities. So now you can do real-time live translation that's powered by Google, where you can go into Bixby Camera, point at an image of a foreign language, and it'll, give it like a second and it'll translate it in English for you. And it supports up to 54 languages. You can also find places near a location as well as points of interest, get nutrition info from a photo of food, and as well as log in and transfer that information to Samsung Health app. And then for those of you who wear makeup, you can take a 3D photo, use your camera to try out blushes, lipstick, gloss, eyeliner, different stuff, different makeup, to see what it look like, and then just swipe up to buy directly from Sephora. That's pretty cool. These are, like I said, a lot more useful additions that they added to the Bixby in regards to the camera side of things. So that's our preview of the Galaxy S9, S9 Plus. Pre-orders kick off March 2nd and in stores on March 16th. Samsung also have a global trade-in program where you can save up to $350 to use towards the S9. Make sure you stop by TechGuySmartBuy.com. We have more information on the S9 posted there. And as always, thanks for watching and see you next video. Peace.